Hi there! On today's episode of Synth Building Blocks, we're talking about the underappreciated, sometimes misunderstood, but incredibly necessary Voltage-Controlled Amplifier, or VCA. Coming in at the very end of the signal path of a subtractive synth, the VCA is another tool, like the filter, that we use to remove audio material from our oscillator sound and carve it into a shape. While the filter carves away frequency ranges with a sloped response, the VCA carves away amplitude, also known as volume or loudness. So you can kind of think of a VCA as a very special automated volume knob. And we know how that works. You turn it up, and it's loud, and as you turn it down, it gets quieter and quieter and quieter until it's gone. Now in an analog synth, I want you to kind of think of the VCA like a valve on a faucet. So analog oscillators are always oscillating in the background, but we can't hear them when the VCA is closed. So like the faucet is off, no water is coming out, but the water pressure is still there because the water is always there. And as you open up the valve, sound gradually comes through more and more. Simple enough, but my point with this metaphor is that the VCA is still considered a subtractive element because it only removes amplitude from its input signal. So what's the point? We have a master volume knob. What do we need a VCA for? Because we can control a VCA with voltage, which means we have full control of all of its parameters integrated into the synth engine. I'll talk more about this when I get into modulators, but I'll give a simple example of how to demonstrate the control. So say I love this sound. Just kind of wiggling the volume back and forth slightly with the VCA. But oh my god, my hand is already tired because I don't want to do that all day. So I'll make something else do it for me because I can, because that's the beauty of voltage control. Check this out. Now this LFO2 right here is doing it for me. I don't have to touch it and it's just going on its own because that LFO is controlling the VCA and automating that motion for me. VCAs can be found in lots of other electronics and have a very popular use in modular synthesis as well, but their main control is volume control on a synth like this on an automated basis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.